cover.
This is what Auntie Mo got you. She got you in your cell phone.
Oh, I don't want to touch it. Put it in there, Dad.
Do you
I don't
want
want to.
Here, put it on the plate.
It must be a small pearl,
said put it
pearl
in
though,
here or
Kyle.
something.
No, just spread it open and get it out.
That's kind of scary looking.
Ew, disgusting.
There's no pearl.
We could eat that.
There's no pearl in there.
Where is it?
It's
Oh
in
yeah, you
there.
can eat that.
No, you can't eat that one. That one's nasty.
Are you supposed to crack it open?
Cool.
Wow.
Oh, look, yay! Look what came out,
Is that
Zoe.
real?
Doesn't
Go
it
in
take
the
like
cup.
hundreds of years just to make one pearl?
2 or 3 years.
Oh,
It says you're supposed to rinse it off.
do that, and
What
then it goes
color
down.
is it? Is it cream colored or peach?
See, I rinse it off. And
Peach.
Or gold?
It's gold.
No, it's peach.
There's peach for health or gold for wealth.
Don't
Oh,
hold it
go,
over the
go,
sink.
go, go.
I'm not.
That's
No,
why they
it's
said
pink.
put it in that sack and rinse it in that sack.
No.
Yeah, they
Yes,
did.
it did.
Oh, it did.
Nobody cares about the other stuff. Gold.
Yeah.
I dropped it.
Zoe, want to see what Auntie Mo got you?